This is a special line we came up with. It's fully biodegradable, so you can clean your Tesla, without any guilt. It's non-toxic products too as well, so it's safe to use around your pets or your kids. They're also very effective. They're safe to use on PPF, vinyl, trim, any part of your vehicle. They're not going to damage anything or leave any, residue. We're going to start today with the interior products and then move on to the exterior products. So let's get started. This stuff is awesome. It's safe for the entire interior of your Tesla. So, the Alcantara on the doors, the vegan leather, takes those stains right off. And it doesn't have a smell. A lot of times if I'm working, in the inside of the vehicle and scrubbing away, it's just a lot of those strong scents, they're just a little too much. But then all the nooks and crannies, I think it's really key to use some of these bore brushes, especially around door switches and stuff. You'll spray your cleaner on there and then just get in there with this brush. Gets all the nooks and crannies, and you can kind of agitate it and foam it up. It really helps lift that grease off the surface. It works honestly the best of any glass cleaner I've used, but it doesn't have that ammonia or alcohol smell that a lot of glass cleaners do. It doesn't leave any streaks. We use these special microfibers. They're glass cleaning microfibers, so they have a tighter weave so they don't use any streaks. Really gets you, that crystal clear finish. This is also really good to use on your touch screen. I wouldn't spray it directly onto the touch screen. You don't want to apply, too much and drench the electronics. But if you spray it directly onto the towel and then wipe your touch screen down, you'll get some great results. Get all those, fingerprints and everything off of there. This is, really awesome foamy stuff. You can use it, in a regular 2-bucket system. Pour it into one bucket, wash the car, rinse in the other bucket. We've also got these microfiber wash mitts, just helps scrub down the car. These are great because they'll actually trap all the grit and dirt deep down, so as you're washing your car, you're not dragging the dirt into the paint. It's also great for using with a foam cannon. You can just foam up your whole car, kind of traps that dirt and starts cleaning your car almost for you. Really great. Once you've used the car wash shampoo, thoroughly washed your car, you're going to have that water left over. If you leave it, you're going to get water spots. I'm ashamed to say I had water spots on my car for the greater part of a year because I never did this right before I knew better. So this drying towel, it's huge and it's extra absorbent. So, you can just place it down on your car and it'll just soak that water right away. You don't have to scrub or risk scratching anything. And also it's big and thick enough so that you can actually dry your whole car with it. So you're not shuffling through a bunch of towels and dropping them. You just, use this one towel and dry your whole car with it. Once you're done washing your car, you can just go over it one last time with a microfiber, these yellow microfibers here, and just, wipe down all the surfaces, get that wax. It just gives it a great shine. The other reason I love this, and honestly we'll probably use it all the time, is it's kind of like those in-between washes. If you just washed your car 2 days ago and boom, a bird poops right in the middle of the hood, you can just go over there, spray it on, and just wipe it right off. You won't scratch your vehicle. This just soaks it right up. So this is great to kind of finish your car wash off, and also just in between washes, just to get those little spots. It's also great, honestly, for door sills. They get a lot of dust in there. You can just go in there. You don't have to wash the car, risk, opening your door and spraying the interior. You just spray this on the door sill and wipe it off. All right, thanks for sticking with me through this video. Kind of as a special thank you for putting up with me. I've got a special code. It's Alex Tesla. You can go to Tesbros. You'll get 10% off your entire order, actually. All right, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, hit that like button. Also, make sure you're subscribed. It really helps us out, make a lot more videos for you guys. And again, as always, if you have any questions, comments, complaints, put them down in the comments below and we'll make sure we answer them for you guys. We'll see you next week.